Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I'm going to change the accessories belt that is somewhere down there with a new Ford one. Because I heard the Continental one is squeaky. Well, I don't want to find that out, so that's why I bought a original Ford one. Okay then, let's begin by jacking out the car. That I already did. And I need to remove the under shield plastic thingy, and after that I will be right back. So I'm guessing we might need to remove this reservoir to access the belt from the top, but if I remember correctly from when I disassembled the air conditioning compressor, I went from below with a 15mm wrench if I'm correct, and there's the tightening pulley, and after that I could just take the belt off. It was really simple, so let's see this time how simple will it be. So now I'm under the car, and this is our I hope you can see that. That's our pulley and damn wrench. This way. No. I remember I need to pull it to some direction, but I don't really remember in which. Nope. Let me try a different position, because I know I did just on whatever. So I will be back when I'm finished undoing this damn pulley. Well, I undid that part successfully, and now I can just take this off. Hopefully I will remember how to put it back. Just great parenting over there. Yeah. In case I forget. Oh, what the hell. In case I forget how to put it back, you can find, and I can find some diagrams online. So yeah. Looks like I will need to undo that thing up there, the reservoir. So yeah, about taking this reservoir off, it's a 10mm, looks like, bolt over there, and there's a clip on the back side, and I think I will need a screwdriver for that. Oh, good thing I bought this really long extension for the 1/4 square thingy. Yeah. By the way, you can put the bolts on there if you still can see that, but I collect them down in my toolbox. Okay. So that's the reservoir. And looks like there's the belt. So I came a bit closer, and looks like I can get the belt off from here, and will fall off, kind of. What am I missing? I think it's getting stuck in my wrench. Oh no, it's good. So yeah, I will go under, feed the belt up. Well, it looks like the engine bay is really tight. Well, this turned out to be harder than I thought. I need to zip tie the wrench to the goddamn axle, because I couldn't really fit this new belt on. I think this belt was shorter by a few centimeters, because it was written on it something with 15, and the other one was, let me check, whoops, I did not intend to do that. So look, the old one was 6 PK 1720, yeah, and the new was 6 PK 1715. So I guess that was the difference. They did manage to put this new one on, but it seems to be really tight. Oh yeah, and this was the belt that I had on. You can see the cracks, and I had on a, where the hell is it? I had on a Opti belt RB, what the hell? And this is what I'm saying about. This is 1720, and the new one was 1715. So yeah, maybe this got longer with time, but who cares? It went on, stays good, doesn't squeak. Yeah, I think it's outro time. Okay then, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. Maybe now you know how to replace your Serpentine belt when it's time. So please help me out to reach 1000 subscribers by pressing that button. Oh yeah, and have a really nice day. And free out.